Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to connect this Vivo phone to TV. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First let me go to TV. In TV, go to settings. Select settings icon from top right corner. Go to network and internet. So here you can see I have connected this TV to Wi-Fi network named Wi-Fi 2024. If you don't have Wi-Fi router, then you can use mobile hotspot. After connecting TV to Wi-Fi, let me go to mobile phone. In mobile phone, first go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go to network and internet. So here you can see Wi-Fi. I have connected this mobile phone to same Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. This is very important. We have to connect both mobile phone and TV to same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. After that, let me start method 1. Go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go to Bluetooth and devices. Tap here. Tap on smart mirroring. Tap on connect to a mirroring device. Tap here. You can see this mobile phone has detected TVs in the same Wi-Fi network. You can see Samsung TV, Google TV and Android TV. So here I am using Google TV. This is the name of the TV. Tap on this TV name. Then tap on start now. See, it's working. So now method 1 is working. If you want to switch display to full screen, you can enable screen rotation in mobile phone, then just rotate the phone. So that way we can switch display to full screen in both TV and mobile phone. Next I will show you how we can stop this. Again, go to settings, smart mirroring. Here you can see connected TV. Tap on this disconnect option. Tap on disconnect. Done. Let me go to method 2. Method 2. In phone, go to Google Play Store. Tap on this Google Play Store app icon. Then install this app, Google Home app. I already installed this Google Home app. Let me tap on open. Then we need to log in with the Gmail ID and password. I already logged in. Then tap on this devices tab. Tap here. You can see this Google Home app has detected TVs in the same Wi-Fi network. Here you can see Google TV and Android TV. Right now I am using Google TV. Tap on this TV name. Tap on cast to my screen. Tap on cast screen. Tap on start now. Done. See, method 2 also working. Next I will show you how we can stop this. Again go to Google Home app. Then tap on stop mirroring. Done. So these are our two methods. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.